Karl School, near the old town of Bonn, is located in a listed building with very spacious rooms.
The Sports Club Bonn uses and supports our sports hall, which focuses especially on sporting activities with the children in the afternoons. In this way, the hall is not only used for sports lessons in the mornings, but also for various courses in the afternoon.
That is why the City Council and the school wanted a sports floor that should look like new again, and also be safe and easy to clean. Finally, the city found the ideal partner in the Dr. Schutz Group to optimally meet its requirements and those of the school. For a council like the City of Bonn, the utility of such a renovation is given in several aspects. In comparison to replacing the floor, it saves 50% of costs, and protracted shutdowns are no longer necessary at all. The Dr. Schutz coatings are especially certified for sports floors and comply with the European as well as the international sports floors norms. Furthermore, line markings are protected long-term against wear and fading by an on-top transparent coating. The floor is optimally shielded against scratches, staining and mechanical damage, such as from scuff marks, for example.
What I personally find really great is that we were able to have our logo, Little Karl, incorporated into the gymnasium floor. What's more, there is now a bonus, which I believe no other school has, our mascot Little Karl in the middle.